What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. It's been a while since I've worn some blue light glasses on the channel. No wonder my eyes have been stinging. So we're sitting at 0.022. We're up almost 4% on the day. Gala Games, same market cap, 634 million. 24-hour volume, 53 million. We're in multiple trades. We just hit a 15% profit on our Gala trade. We're in like 4 trades for Gala, a couple swing trades. One of them is a short-term trade, as well as other positions and Forex for $10 a month. Sign up through the Patreon. Anyways, enough of the plug. So we saw a nice bounce. So what we're looking at, wave 2 pullback. Now you're starting to push up. We have about 3 waves up. I still think we're pushing up in the micro 3. And then we'll pull back into 4, but I do believe we'll see continuation, break the wave 1 high, which is bullish confirmation, see continuation to the upside. So as you can see right now, we're seeing a little bit of a push. So I do think we'll push to the 138.2% fib at 0.023 or the 161.8 at 0.02386. I do think that's likely. Pull back into 4, see continuation to the upside in a wave 5. Bother to complete this wave 3 here in blue. Taking a look at the daily chart, we need to get back above that 20 EMA. Look at that money flow, guys. We were talking about that where price was coming down, money was flowing back in. That's a signal you're going to see a reversal, and I do think we will see that with the amount of money that's flowing in, and Gala is still yet to break out, but it is starting to break this down sloping trend line. We have a nice falling wedge, which we're breaking out of. So I do think we'll see continuation up to the top of the wedge, which is at 0.0282. That's what I'm looking at for Gala. The majority of our trades are in juicy profits, as well as our Forex trades. Sign up to the Patreon, $10 a month. Make sure to sign up to BTCC. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including for my US and Canadian traders who are dying for an exchange. Grab those bonuses, and then my VIP rooms, $10 a month. As you can see, we took profit on Matic, 15% gain, juicy, and my daily crypto analysis, my exact crypto trade setups, member profits, Forex signals, and Forex day trades as well. We recently locked in gains on AUD USD and 2 trades actually. We have multiple trades which are currently in profits. So trade crypto, trade Forex, all for $10 a month. Sign up to the Patreon. Make sure to sign up to BTCC. No KYC, no VPN. Smash up that like button. See you in the next video. Much love. Take care.